Oh yeah, that's nice. I wonder if he's friends with Z06 Taylor. It says that we'll be at the resort at 9:20 if we don't stop. I want one, not gonna lie. Turn you off. I accidentally turned off my voice prompts and stuff, and I didn't mean to, but I think I kind of like it because she doesn't talk to me anymore. Wow. Dude, yes, God, it's so good. It's gorgeous, man. Which way are you wanting to go? All right, I think I'm good. Wow, that's a hell of a sight. Well, if you insist. I think I'm good. I think we'll have. We don't need all the same exact pictures. We'll have more opportunities. I need to get moving because I'm getting hot. Yeah. Oh, I need a break after that madness. Dude, look at all the stickers. Holy shit. Dang, I didn't know they were filling this up with stickers now. That's a pretty smart idea. I don't want to stop for too long. It's hot as f, dude. Yeah, let's do that. I think we got rid of our chicken strips completely, dude. There's nothing on this side. There's basically nothing on that side. Nothing on this side. What? We got a wire? Let me see. Can't see. Oh, looks like a beginning of something. Dude, we killed it that time. We actually killed it that time. That was nice. Oh, no way. Is that a ZR1? That looks like a ZR1. Is that a ZR1? Oh no, dude, like it. Remember the tire I had when we were going up to Nashville to eat at Twin Peaks that one time? You're fine, dude. Hey, if that's what we got to do. Holy crap, yeah. Holy crap, what a car. Wow. Wow, what a car. Is it a manual? Good God. That's so cool. I love it. Big ceramic brakes. Man, that's a sweet car. That would probably give us a run for our money. And that R8. Whew. Come on, let's go down to the big one and get some shade. I'm dying, dude. Yeah, we can, because we're probably going to need gas soon. And I don't want to go all the way back just to get gas. So let's go get some gas, and then we'll make a plan from there. And yeah, let's do it. Oh, my bike was kind of slow to start right there. Oh no, we got plenty of hill. I could clutch start it. I'll let you know when we're clear to go. Yeah. Oh yes, thank you, Lord. Oh, dude, I can tell my tire is nice and toasty now. I can feel it in my loins. Got a nice angle on the dangle right now. Oh yeah, dude. Nah, this is where Jason wrecked him. Hey, bet your sweet I'm not going fast right here. If he would have went down right there, he would have gone off. Cause like there's no shoulder right there, and I believe it's this section right. Yeah, right there. That's where he went down. Right there. That's the shoulder he had. Yeah, he was right here. And I was exactly where you are when I realized it. I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. And then I pulled over right there and turned around. Yep, that's Jason's corner for now and forever will be.